I was worried you blow my reputation, but I figured it's not on me. Yeah. The way you're making me shiver, your hands on myself, I keep pulling the trigger, alright. This very finger for people like them. Oh no. Well, darling, on my mind, I'm feeling so fly up in the zone now. I'm like a golden crown, whirling high up in the sky. Oh, it's the way you make me feel so good, right now. It's the way you make me feel so good.
Hey guys, Harsh here. Welcome back to Technolobe, and this is the Mi A2. Opening up the box, inside you get a protective case, which is always a good thing, and the next thing that you will see is a USB Type-C to 3.5mm dongle. Yes, this phone does not come with a headphone jack, which is honestly very sad. But anyway, I'll rant about the headphone jack later on in my full review. Moving forward, inside the box you get some paperwork which no one reads, and then you get your normal stuff, that is the charger and the charging cable. Now again, this is not a fast charger, but a good thing is that you do get a USB Type-C cable because this comes with a USB Type-C port. So anyway, these were the box contents. Now let me go ahead and quickly set up the device. While I set up the device, let's talk about the specs on this phone. So the Mi A2 comes with a Snapdragon 660 processor, which is awesome because at this price point you are honestly getting a very good processor. Along with that, you get 4 or 6 GB of RAM along with 64 GB of onboard storage. Now one thing that I did not like about this phone is that it does not come with a micro SD card slot, which is honestly kind of a letdown. As far as the battery goes, you get a 3010 mAh battery, which I'm very skeptical about. So definitely stay tuned to the channel. I will post about the battery stats and all those things in my upcoming videos. So the phone is set up, and as you can see, this phone comes with stock Android and not MIUI because this is under the Android One program. Let's quickly go into the settings and check the Android version. As you can see, you get Android Oreo out of the box, with Android P coming really soon to this phone. Maybe in a couple of months or 3 months, this phone will get Android P, which is a good thing. Like, you get very good software updates because the software comes from Google. Now this phone is a camera centric phone just like the Mi A1. So it comes with a dual camera setup at the back. One is a 12 megapixel primary sensor with an aperture of f1.8, and the other one is a 20 megapixel sensor with again an aperture of f1.8. It is supposed to give you very good images in terms of low light as well as daylighting conditions, which is a good thing. Now here are some quick camera samples that I shot around my home itself. I will be posting a lot of camera samples on Instagram, so definitely follow me over there if you haven't yet. As far as the front camera goes, it is a 20 megapixel sensor and it is very similar to that of the Redmi Note 5 Pro. Hence, the cameras on this phone are really impressive on paper, but as always, I will have to test them out. That's why hit that subscribe button, stay tuned, more videos coming really soon. Now if you want to buy the Mi A2, I'll drop a direct link to buying it in the description box below. It is going to be sold like a flash sale, like every time. Again, that's a very bad thing about Xiaomi, but that's how it is. And if you want to try your luck, you can go ahead and check the link below. So anyway, that's been it. I hope that you liked this very quick unboxing of the Mi A2, and if you did, then let me know about that in the comment section down below. If you like this content, then go ahead and smash that like button and also hit that subscribe button below. If you want me to make a particular video about this phone, like a camera comparison or the battery life test or something like that, you can always request me on Instagram and I will try to make that video happen. With that being said, my name is Harsh Punjabi and I'll see you guys in the next one.